You guys, he didn't want to go swimming, but I talked him into it. Good morning, you guys. Yeah, we're on our way to the pool. It's a community center that we're just gonna go check out. We've never been there, so we're about to go check out the pool. This is gonna be Miley's first time swimming, so we'll see how that is. We'll see you guys in a minute. Here, you guys, we are about to go inside and check out this pool on this snowy day. Huh? We're going swimming? Let me see you. Are you so excited? This is gonna be Miley's first time swimming. Yay!
Are you so excited?
Alright guys, we're about to go and go in the pool and check it out and see how we like this place. Wait for Daddy to get done getting dressed. You guys, he didn't want to go swimming, but I talked him into it. I talked him into it. Guys, we just got done swimming. Now Mia is requesting pizza. She wants to eat pizza for lunch. So we're gonna find somewhere to eat pizza, and that's about it. We'll see you in a minute. Guys, we're at Pizza Hut. We're going to eat some pizza here. And then I'm not sure what we're gonna do. We might go home or we might go to Best Buy. I'm not sure yet, but we will let you know. We just got back from Pizza Hut. The girls are both taking naps. I'm just gonna work on a little bit of homework, and that's about it for today's Saturday. But yeah, I'm just gonna work on some homework right now. Okay, you guys, I just got done doing my homework, and I just heated up some leftover pizza. And Mia, I heated up some leftover pizza for her too. I hope you guys liked seeing us go swimming. That place was pretty cool. I want to go back there just because it's fun, something to do in the winter. But also, I'm just waiting 30 more minutes for the Lifetime movie to come on. It's called Chris Watts. I don't know if any of you guys have heard of the story, but it's a true story about Chris Watts. It's a guy from, I forget what state he's from. Maybe it's like Connecticut or something. But he killed his wife and his children. And it's just something about that that's crazy. A crazy story that's on Lifetime that I'm just waiting to watch. I love Lifetime movies. What?
They have the Batman movie on too.
We have the Batman movie on?
Mhm.
Yeah, she keeps asking for the Batman movie.
Oh, she wants the Batman movie on. Yeah.
But it's too old for kids now.
Okay, well, she wants to watch Batman, but she probably won't like it, so. But we can try it out, man. Anyways, that is about it. Tomorrow, I think we are going to go check out Best Buy and look at some cameras there because we've been using our phones to do all this vlogging every day, and I feel like the quality is not good. Just look at this right now, the quality. I feel like it's like not good right now, but and also when I do like my montages, I want to do more cleaning ones. I need to get a good camera and get a stand for it. So we will see what they have tomorrow and if they have any good deals or anything. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and we will see you tomorrow. Mia, you want to say bye with me? We'll vlog you later. Bye.
Bye.